We'll guide you through how to cancel your Netflix subscription. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on the Netflix app, and for whatever reason you want to cancel your subscription. Maybe you're finding that it's too expensive or you're just not really using it anymore. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and cancel it. This means when it comes to the renewal date, you'll not be charged and you'll not have to go and pay for it. But it does then mean you aren't going to be able to access Netflix. So make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as we're going to guide you through how this can be done. And we're also telling you some important information as well. So it's definitely worth listening. So it's important to know is that when you go and cancel your subscription, you're still going to be able to go and use Netflix until your billing and renewal date. Let's go and say you originally subscribed on in March, then even if you go and cancel it in March, you're going to go and have it until April. So you go and get the idea. You're going to go and keep it until your next billing date. But at that billing date, it will then go and be stopped. But I know in some cases, as soon as you cancel it, you lose access immediately. But that isn't the case with Netflix. You're going to go and keep it until the renewal. So what we now need to do is in Netflix, you want to head to the bottom right where it says My Profile, and you want to go and click there. This will go and bring you to My Netflix. Once you're here, you want to go and head to the top right, and there you're going to go and find the three lines which you want to go and tap on to the right of the search. Tap there and you'll go and get this pop-up. Now, you may have gone and looked in the app settings already. You aren't going to find it here. So when you go and press those three lines, you need to go and find the option for account, as this is an account setting really. So go and click account, and you're then going to go and be brought here. Now, what you can do is alternatively as well, by the way, you can go and change your plan. I'll cover that briefly, but ultimately we are focusing on cancel subscription. But you could go and change your plan to a cheap one if that's the reason why you're thinking of leaving. But once you're on this page here, what you want to do is go and scroll down, and at the bottom, you should find the option for cancel membership, and you can then go and tap there. You then go and get taken here. So as you can see here, you can go and change your plan, pause it, or you can go and cancel it. So changing your plan could be a good option if you want to go and downgrade it, but you may already be on the cheaper one anyway. But in this case, we're going to cancel it. So just press that there, and you can go and press finish cancellation. And that's it. You've now cancelled your membership, but we can go and keep enjoying it until the 28th of April in our case. Of course, for you, it may go and be different.